Here are the 3 best ways you can make your curtains and blinds smart. First on the list is Sunsa Wand. This is the easiest and most affordable way to automate and turn your blinds smart in under 2 minutes. Simply replace your current blinds wand with the Sunsa Wand and you have automated, motorized smart blinds that can tilt your blinds open and close. With the Sunsa app for iOS and Android, you can control your blinds anywhere, anytime right from your phone. You can create schedules that automatically tilt your blinds open and close. What's in the box includes 1 Sunsa Wand, 3 adapters and 3 tips. It uses 4 AAA batteries which can last for about a year. The Sunsa Wand will work with horizontal, vertical and mini blinds. You can still use the wand by hand if you ever wanted to manually open or close your blinds. Connect the Sunsa Wand to Wi-Fi, no hub is required. Other features include light and temperature sensors, solar power adapter and an optional wall adapter. Wake up to natural light in the morning and close at night for privacy. It works with Alexa and the Google Assistant. We will leave a link to the Sunsa Wand if you want to check it out. Please subscribe to the channel for more smart home videos. Second on the list is Switchbot Curtain. Make your curtain smart in 30 seconds. The small wireless robot can make any curtains motorized and smarter with a 30-second installation. After attaching to your curtain, you can then open and close your curtain with your smartphone. Or just set a schedule to automatically open or close the curtain. With the Touch and Go feature, when Switchbot Curtain senses the pull, it will kick in and do the rest of the work for you. Other features include light sensor, rechargeable battery that the company claims can last for 8 months depending on usage. Plus, an optional Switchbot solar panel. The company claims it's a tiny body with big power which can push up to 8 kilograms, 17 pounds of curtain. Switchbot Curtain works perfectly with your smart home. You can integrate it with the Google Assistant, Alexa, even Siri. Third on the list is the IKEA FYRTUR Blockout Roller Blind. This blind comes pre-paired with the remote control and a signal repeater. With this you can control your blinds wirelessly to adapt the light, or create privacy depending on the activity taking place in the room. For the blind's wireless functions to work, the signal repeater needs to be plugged into a power socket within 10 meters from the blind. No need to change fittings or drill new holes if you change your blinds. It works with the Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Samsung SmartThings, and the Google Assistant. You need the TradFi gateway to use the IKEA Home Smart app. What do you think of our list? Please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.